What's going on, guys? This is Decelation. Got Brian, and we're back on the 35 hot rod truck. So today, it's getting this body bolted on. Oh yeah, this is gonna be beautiful. So you're gonna watch Brian and I go through. We have the option to either rivet it or bolt it on, but Brian.
Yeah, we're gonna bolt it on.
Yeah, we're gonna bolt it on because Scavenger right here has a bad habit of what do you say? How do you put it?
Not cooperating.
Not cooperating. So leaving the capability for us to bolt it and unbolt it as we see fit, as many times as we see fit. I think that's the right move to go. So, yeah, we're going to get cracking on this, and you guys are going to see how we're going to bolt it and everything, and the process. So, stay tuned. And, before I forget, if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It really helps me out. And hit the like button. The like button gets this video put out to more people. And if you like this video, maybe other people will too. So, keep pushing it out. All right, have a good one. Stay tuned for the next one, for the next update. Welcome back, guys. So as you guys saw, we were drilling into the firewall and putting in the rib nuts on the front and on the sides as well. You can kind of see there's one right here, and there's two more right there. So account for these three. So now pretty much what's next is we're gonna drop the body back down, make sure it lines up, and screw it in. That about it, Brian?
That's about it today.
Any words of wisdom? I know people have been missing it. You've been your guest.
My words of wisdom for today.
Yeah. Yeah. Give a F tank has been pretty low.
Yeah. Actually, well, it's a short week of work, and I'm going on vacation next week, so my bucket of F's is actually pretty meaty in there. But before the end of the video today, before I leave, we'll come up with words of wisdom. Brian's words of wisdom for the day.
We're holding him to this. Otherwise, I get to kick you in the nuts.
You gotta have good aim. I'm Irish.
Fair enough. All right, so we're gonna put you guys back. We're gonna drop this body back down and screw it in, and hopefully it lines up. So hopefully. All right, stay tuned. Welcome back, guys. So as you see now, we decided to do like a little chrome, the silver stainless steel washers to have a little bit of accent for the black firewall. But yeah, it's nice and bolted in. And we had to go with washers on here because we want to make sure that we distribute the load on the fiberglass and not crack it with just the bolt. So that's where we got the idea to just go washers all the way around. And that was Brian's idea, so Brian, thank you, sir.
Hey, that's what we're here for.
Yeah, definitely. But yeah, so right now we're gonna cut this video off right here. Get you guys see the body actually bolted on and stable. There's one more thing. I know Heath, it was Heath, right? I'm gonna put your name on this description. For some reason, I'm blanking on your name. I think it's Heath, but I know you asked that we should probably end these videos with going on a drive. There's one more thing that we need to address before we take this on another drive. I would love to end every video with us taking this or rip around, but there's one more leak that I'm waiting for a tool to get here to address, to make sure that we're not leaking. I'd rather not leak any fluids. So, but once that's done, I will end videos with taking this for a drive until the neighbor HOA kick me out of the house. We'll see. All right. I really do appreciate you guys watching these videos. If you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button because this is going to keep coming, and hit the notification bell. And tell me what you think in the comments below, and hit that like button as well. All right, have a good one.